Okay, good morning to my students. We are going to look at our maths textbook, page 15. So we are going to solve the problems. When you solve the problems, you have to read the question carefully and understand it. Next, you would have to underline the keyword. So let's look at number 1. At the end of 2014, several states in Malaysia were hit by severe floods. The table below shows an estimated number of flood victims in 3 states. Kelantan, 45,400. Terengganu, 10,800 less than Kelantan. Pahang, 33,000. Calculate the total number of flood victims in these 3 states. Give the answer in decimal millions. So first thing, do you understand the question? What the question wants? Which is the keyword? So the keyword here is calculate the total number. Total number is our keyword. Total number of flood victims in 3 states. So you have to find the total number of flood victims in 3 states. Lastly, give the answer in decimal million. Do not forget to convert your answer to decimal million. You don't have to follow the calculation from the textbook if you don't want to. So let us solve it together. Kelantan 45,400, Terengganu 10,800 less than Kelantan. Pahang 33,000. Look at the table. Terengganu, this is not the exact figure. You have to do something about it to get the exact figure. Read it again. 10,800 less than Kelantan. So you have to do something. So less than, it means minus. So minus, okay, let us do the calculation. Terengganu. Okay, we have to find the estimated number of victim people in Terengganu. So take the Kelantan 45,400 minus 10,800. So you get 14 minus 8, 6, 4, 3. So the actual estimated number of victim people is 34,600. So look at it again. The total number of flood victims in 3 states. So right now, you have the estimated number of Kelantan, Terengganu, and Pahang. So right now, you can do the total. So 45,400, 34,600, and 33,000. Please align your numbers correctly. So 0, 0, 0, 0, 0 plus 0 plus 0, 0, 4 plus 6, 10. 5 plus 1, 6, 6 plus 4, 10, 10 plus 3, 13. 4 plus 3, 7, 7 plus 3, 10, plus 1, 13, 11. So you get your answer 113,000. But look at the question again. Give the answer in decimal million. So you have to convert it to decimal million. How to convert this answer to decimal million? Where is the decimal point? If you can't see the decimal point, it will be at the back of the number. Oh, hold on. Okay. So right now, you have to move the decimal point to the left. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If there is nothing at the front, you have to put a 0. So in the end, your answer is 0.113 million. Okay, now we are going to look at question number 2. In 2015, a factory produced 1/5 million kg of cooking oil for export. Production targets in each subsequent year is 2 times the mass of cooking oil compared to the previous year. What is the mass in kg of cooking oil produced in 2019? Okay. Look at the question. 1/5 million is not a whole number. It would be easier for us to convert it to whole number first. 1/5 is 0.2. 1/5 is actually 0.2. And 1/5 million, we have to move 6 times the decimal point to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These empty spaces put 0. Okay, so 1/5 million is actually 200,000. Next, form a table. Like in the textbook, form a table. So 2015 equals to 200,000. 2015 equals to 200,000 kg. Look at the question again. Production targets in each subsequent year. Subsequent year means the next year is 2 times the mass of cooking oil compared to the previous year. So in 2016, it is 2 times the mass in 2015. So you have to 2 times 200,000 equals to 400,000. After that, the next year, it will be 2017. 2017 equals to 2 times the mass of previous year in 2016, which is 400,000. So 2 times 400,000 equals to 800,000. And the next year, 2018, you have to do the same. 2 times the mass in 2017, which is 800,000. 2 times 800,000 equals to 1,600,000 kg. And now we have reached to our question. Look at it. Okay. What is the mass of cooking oil produced in 2019, which is what we want? So 2 times the previous year, which is 1,600,000 equals to 3,200,000. So your answer would be 3,200,000 kg. But in the textbook, they convert it to decimal million. So if you want to convert it to decimal million, okay, here. So first you have to write 3,200,000. Okay, it is divided by 1 million. As you know, when you divide by 1 million, you can actually move the decimal point. So if you can't see any decimal point here, it would be at the end of the number. So you have to move it 6 times to the left side. Do you know why it is six times? Because it is 1 million has 60. So you have to move it by 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and stop. So your answer would be 3.2 million.